Consumer CEOs have many questions about Biden's vaccine order. In the letter, Consumer Brands Association CEO Geoff Freeman called for immediate clarity on the administration's new COVID-19 Action Plan.That plan, unveiled last week, caught some in the business world off guard because it includes an emergency rule from the Labor Department that calls for all employers with 100 or more employees to ensure their entire workforce is vaccinated or regularly tests negative for COVID-19. Biden officials have said companies could face penalties of up to $14,000 per violation. The Consumer Brands Association, which represents the $2.1 trillion food, beverage and consumer products industry that employs 2.1 million workers, urged federal agencies to move quickly, anticipate challenges, promptly answer questions and partner with businesses to implement the new plan. The Consumer Brands Association and our member companies stand ready to partner with you in getting Americans vaccinated, Freeman wrote. The letter to Biden included a small sampling of questions that have surfaced among business leaders, including what is considered documentation for proof of vaccination and how will booster shots factor into compliance. Will the requirements only apply to vaccines that are fully approved by the FDA? Does the government plan to centralize vaccination tracking? What are the consequences of falsifying one's vaccination status or test results? What is considered suitable documentation for a negative test result? Should employees choose not to vaccinate? Is the company or employee responsible for securing and paying for testing? When will the requirements be formally issued? Do the new federal requirements include exemptions for religious beliefs and disabilities? The questions underscore the uncertainty created by the Biden plan and hint at frustration in the business community over the federal government's response throughout the pandemic. But that's been a concern I've had during this whole crisis, regardless of the administration in place, Buren said. Whether it was the Trump or Biden administration, getting clarity around these issues has been our concern.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.